Hi there, my name is Thomas and I want to talk today a little bit about Muesliswap. Yeah, let's dive in. Here we are. You can see now here the main page of Muesliswap. And as you can see, Muesliswap is already on two blockchains. First, on the smart Bitcoin Cash, and second now on Cardano. So it's the first swap, the first exchange on Cardano. Okay, let's switch to the exchange or to Cardano. You can now see it is ada.muesliswap.com. You can see now a list of all the tokens you can swap with Muesliswap. You see here the World Mobile Token, Milk Token. It is the native token of Muesliswap. Mint, to be honest, I don't know many of them. This is the Hosky one, yes. Then the DeFi, you have Dana, you have ADEX, you have XRAY, Kick. They will improve as well. You see here in the moment it's token listing week. That means that they list every day or every trading day one new token. Okay, so if you want to swap, let's say you have XRAY and you want to swap them into Dana, you first have to swap your XRAY into ADA, and then the ADA you gained into Dana. So all is against ADA. Okay, so let's go to XRAY, what we see here. All right. You see here at the lower part, all existing orders. So you could go, if one order will fit for you, if it exactly fit, you can just grab one of those orders. Let's say you want to sell 200 XRAY. So you will get 0.1475 ADA each, which is 29.5 ADA. If you really want this, then you click here on sell. You will grab this order, and then this order will disappear, and you will have the you sold your XRAY and you got your 29.5 ADA. Or if you want to buy, same story. But here you have to grab a complete order. If you only want to sell, let's say 150 XRAY, you cannot go for this. You have to do it otherwise. You have here the possibility to enter your own order. It is a buy order. You want to buy XRAY, and it will appear then here as a sell order. You want to buy it, and it's here a sell order. And on the other hand, you can open here your own sell order, and it will appear here later on. And then it's for your counterpart, it's a buy order for sure. So if I want to sell now some XRAY or to buy some XRAY, in the moment I would go and open a new order, set it somewhere in between, or just open an order which is gives me a better price, and hope that during the night the price will fall or rise, so my order will be fulfilled. This was the way I would go for if there is no order in which fits to me. Sure, this will be improved. You see, there is no chart in the moment. Here, charting is coming soon. Volume, you can't even click it, coming soon. But, and I'll show you later, it is working. It is working. What do we need to trade on Muesliswap? We don't need to register, nothing. The only thing we need is just a NAMI wallet. NAMI is in the moment the only wallet they accept, and for sure this will improve as well. I'm pretty sure, but in the moment it's only NAMI, and NAMI is fine. It's okay. It's working well, so why not? Other exchanges like SundaySwap, I do have a test account on the SundaySwap. They also only allow NAMI in this moment, this very beginning. So it's okay. I have my NAMI wallet here. And let's say I want to buy now some XRAY. The price now is too high for me. I would say I accept, let's say, 1 point or 0.15 ADA per XRAY. So I will open my own order. I click buy XRAY, and now it says connect wallet first, for sure. Connect wallet. Okay, NAMI wallet, it's okay. The NAMI wallet is here. Access. And now you can see this one is active. So what I forgot, what I have to do, I will go back to NAMI. You have to put a collateral. Add collateral in order to interact with smart contracts on Cardano. For sure, Muesliswap, they are running in the background, they are running something like smart contracts, or I don't know how they are working in the background. So you need a collateral. And I will do this. Add password, it's okay, confirm. See, it's going down now to 100 ADA. That does not mean that you lost this 5 ADA. You can get the collateral back. The only thing I really lost, it was the, you see it now, it was the 0.17 something ADA, which you have to pay for every transaction. So now the collateral is added and I'm good to go. So what did I say? I want to buy XRAY, right? Buy amount. So my limit, what did I say, is, let's say 0.16 ADA for one XRAY. Okay, this is entered now. You see the fees. I have to pay for my 500 X-ray 80 ADA, which is the price of 0.16. And I have to pay a deposit. It will be returned later on. And there is a matchmaker fee. This is the fee for Muesliswap. Muesli is doing the match. So let's say submit. Taking time. Nami wallet is opening. Always when you do a transaction, the Nami wallet opens and you have to sign. With my password, confirm. And you see, the order is successfully placed by 500 X-ray for 80 ADA. All right. $500, 0.16, you see, 0.16, 500, 80 ADA. This is my order. And I will open it later on and see if somebody grab it. All right, it's now 1.5 hours later. And I want to check what happens with my offer or my order. Going to swap or to my trades. And you see, nothing happened. Okay, I offered probably a little bit less. So I can cancel my order here, and I will cancel it right now. You see the wallet is going to open. I have to confirm this, sign this. It costs another fee. It's fine. Enter the password. All right. Okay. And it's, I go now to the exchange. Looking in, still there. It takes time. It takes time. So let's see. All right. Okay. What I want to show you, this wallet is connected now. And I can disconnect it, but I have to go to the wallet. I open the Nami wallet. And go here to the settings. There is a whitelist. Settings, whitelisted sites. And you see I'm connected with, on the testnet, on the Cardano testnet, with the testnet of SundaySwap. And now I'm connected with Muesliswap. And I could delete this, and then the wallet is disconnected. All right, let's see if the order is gone. Normally it should be gone now. No, still there. No, it's gone now, you see. There is another order in. So I want you to see that it is working, because we can prove two things. We can prove now that it's possible to do all those smart contract things on ADA. There is a lot of uncertainty. Lots of people, they are saying Cardano is a scam. It's a ghost chain. It is smart contracts cannot work, and all those things. And doing this one, and it's definitely on the Cardano chain, trade coin. It shows you, it shows me that it's working, that it is not a scam. Okay, so what I do now, I will go to the other side, and now I'm going to buy directly. I will grab an order, an open order. I go here to buy. You see, 100 XRAY, buy 100 XRAY, pay 0.22 ADA per XRAY, cost me 22 XRAY, and here are the fees, and I will submit this. Okay. The wallet is opening. Request. I have to sign it. Enter the password. Confirm it. Go to the wallet. Open the wallet. My ADA probably already gone. See, 75, so the 20, and what you see here, the XRAY token is in. I have now 100 XRAY token. I have 25 ADA less. And yeah, the trade is done. Let's just see my trades. Open orders, you know, they are empty now. Okay, I go back to the page. This one, it's gone. Boom. You see? All is done. Yeah, what do you say, Muesliswap? The very first exchange on Cardano, it's working. I bought some XRAY token now, and they are in my wallet, so it's working. You see, Cardano is doing its job, and you will see the next exchange will be SundaeSwap. XRAY will launch soon. There is Melt. There are so many NFT projects, and they are coming all to Cardano, and just be patient. It will take a few weeks, a few months, and then Cardano is far away from being a ghost chain. Yeah, I'm very sure Cardano is a great project. Merry Christmas.